It's your boy Hero. Oh, wait. Oh, am I on? Yep, I'm on. Hey guys, it's your boy Hero. I'm here with another video, and I was going to talk about fuel cell energy with you. But really, it's relatively kind of all the market. So, if you guys have been in EV plays and all the, I guess you can't really call it small stock, small cap, because it's like 2 billion. I don't know. That's a lot to me. But if you've been in all these kind of cap industries, you've been seeing kind of how it's been bleeding. Fuel cell for the last 3 months during this whole correction, it's gone down like 70%. And if you look at when it was at its highs, it was at $27, and now it's at $7.85. Of course, these are beautiful companies. They're going to do beautiful stuff in the future, but nobody really knows how long that future is because the shorts have been beating everybody down. And, the people who are basically still around and, playing with the market are people who've been in it for years, or the new investors like me. I'm relatively new. I'm about a year or two, year and a half or so. The ones that kind of stuck around and they learned how to play a bear market, which I did. Not to say that I'm not down. I'm definitely down, but I've retained maybe a, like a decent amount, enough to still play in the game, and add a little bit here and there. But I want to talk to you about what happened yesterday. Fuel cell, it was just bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. And then out of nowhere, boom, it skyrockets up with everything else in the market. And if we go down here, you'll see all this stuff like green. Like, I went into bio nanogenomics, got a little bit from there. ZOM, that's been bleeding for so long. ZOM, Sundial, what else? Sundial. All that stuff has been bleeding. And I want to tell you something that I have as far as a theory. Man, look at that volume though. That's crazy. I have a theory why everything finally got like the foot took off of it, off its neck. Or I guess that's not very good right now, with all that news going on. I mean, it's very telling on what's probably going to happen on Monday. I don't. I think this is like a bullish fake out, because if anything, I feel like, and I feel like this is pertaining to AMC in general too. I feel like the hedge funds had to look, basically, what's they called, liquidify, or basically they had to sell a lot of their stocks in the different market so they can get a bunch of money, to be able to help pump the stock but also short the stock for AMC. And I feel like that's what made this shoot down so far, because here we were at $14 or so, and then if you look around there, that's the same time when these were kind of peaking. And that's when look, there was a huge sell-off right there, and then everything started peaking. Then we go over to fuel cell. You'll see everything was kind of gearing around this time, and then it started doing that. So I'm worried that the hedge funds basically took their foot off other stocks so they can kind of just like jump back into AMC trying to short it, because they had enough money, they had enough volume, they had enough people selling and buying and selling and buying, so they can buy their shares, their phantom shares back, and they can try to short the stock more. I feel like that's going around AMC and GameStop. So let's take a look at GameStop too. I feel like it's basically a bullish fake out is what I'm trying to say. Like, they're trying to fake you out into thinking, oh, the whole stock market, this isn't just for AMC and GameStop, but this is all surrounding it. they're like, oh, we're letting the foot off for you guys, so stocks are trading like they should have been, this whole time. Like you guys, you can't, you have to imagine what the stock market would be like if people like the hedge funds weren't shorting it and they weren't rigging it every single time and using their capital to kind of beat out the little man. Like the market would be so much more fair and technical analysis would be so much more rewarding and people would have a chance in the stock market a lot more. You still have a chance, it's just minimized because there's other people, like hedge funds, who are just making you go completely down. Like here, look, it was around the same time GameStop had it, and then they started shorting the stock down. So unfortunately, I'm hoping AMC bounces back. I hope they squeezed all their little capital out, and now it's going to be going back up from here. But oh no, guys, I think they're sorry about that. I think they're on the attack again. But that doesn't mean they're gonna have to. They're not gonna pay for them shorting the stock so much. I mean, that's the reason why they're attacking. It's crazy how much volume AMC had compared to GameStop, but you know, I don't know if you guys listen to other YouTubers, but I, of course, listen to other YouTubers just to get their opinion, of course. And Trey Trades made like a good analogy where he was saying like GameStop is basically where AMC was, and it's kind of setting up to squeeze too. So we're not leaving you behind, GameStop. We're helping out one that didn't get its chance before you did. So don't worry, GameStop guys. We love you too. But anyways, let's see, $40. Curious just how much it was before. Yeah, they shorted it all the way to like $10 before, and then it went pew. Sorry, the helicopter noises. I'm not really sorry. It's like an airplane noise, huh? Um, but yeah, like I feel so. Bottom line, guys, I think that we're basically be careful on Monday. I think they're gonna be going back to shorting a lot of these stocks now. If you are playing to win, so you can kind of have um some money to be able to buy into your favorite stocks or buy more AMC stock or whatever. Let's just go to AMC just to kind of finish out this. Don't be afraid to go to something like last week. Even I made some money off of some puts for Fuelcell. It was down. I was like right around here. No. I was a little bit back over here. I did some puts there, and it went all the way there. And guys, I made like maybe $50 for each one, each put that I got. And Clean Spark. These kind of go in order. Like either Fuelcell is going to be going down, or Plug Power goes down, or Clean Spark goes down, and like sometimes Plug Power won't even feel like the hit. But then the next day it feels the hit really hard. Because if you look, Plug Power is still down 10%. So, I mean, it's climbing up now, but this is a perfect position for it to drop on Monday. Like, I predict this dropping on Monday. Look how much times it tapped to try to go higher. Tap, 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 trying to go higher. It couldn't. So, it's literally... I'm thinking this is gonna go down. This is gonna be a freaking bull fake, man. I mean, it's trying to say news like, oh, it reinstated its whatever, and that's not shit that excites people. I mean, a new machine or something that seems like very bullish, that might do it. I mean, technical levels, this is BS news. They're like, look, let's look at Blink. I'm sure it had a bunch of times where it tapped the ceiling. Look at that. Tap, tap, tap. They weren't letting it go up. Tap, tap, tap. That's bombing on Monday, guys. $30 even? Look at that. Look how manipulated that is. $30 even. There's no way. So I'm just telling you guys. Look at that. Blink Charging says Q1 losses widens. Look at that. And it went up? There's no way. There's no way. And now I'm scared that all this is going to drop, which means I bought a couple of options in BNGO and I bought a couple of options in, I can't remember what the other one is. But I feel like that's going to flop. Like, I'm going to have to jump out as soon as I can. Nano Dimension went up for NNDM. My dude, look, remember when Nano Dimension was up here? No. It was better than that. Yeah. I shorted this bad boy. So it's up 12%. That's definitely shortable. It's not shortable. It's you do puts on it, not shorting it. Shorting bad. Shorting very bad. That's like phantom shit and borrowing shares and shit. That's bad. But puts are different. You know, that's just saying it's still beneficial for the stock, but yeah. It's if you get underlying stock of it and then you use puts to kind of save that stock and still make money on the way down. You know, that's the way you should do it. Short should not be allowed. It's so stupid. Riot Blockchain went up 17%. You know that's going to go down. You know that's going to go down. Look at this. Tap. Tried to tap the ceiling and it couldn't, and it just went down lower. This is going down. And then if you look at the crypto market, it's going to tell you exactly. It's going to tell you exactly what the stocks are going to do on Monday. Sorry this video is so long. I just look at this. You can't make this shit up. Look, the crypto market, it's down. It's down again. Remember on Friday, if you guys were looking at the market, remember on Friday, wait, let's look at Ethereum Classic. Remember yesterday? Remember how high it was? This? Look at that. Down. And then look, here it is. Here's Friday. Here's Thursday leading into Friday. 13th. Here's Friday. Boop. We're all the way up there. It's already gone down. You guys know this if you've been in crypto. This goes up towards the end of the night, like into the morning. So around 11 p.m. Usually this goes, it's at its lowest and then it starts going up. It's been going down. What do you think? What do you think these blockchains are going to be doing? Fuck. This is such a bullish fake out, man. Everything's going to be dropping tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on Monday. So that being said, I mean, in the morning on Monday, you're probably going to see it go up a little bit all the way until like 9:30, and you're going to see these bad boys drop. And honestly, you might as well do a small put. Usually, to be safe, you want to do a put that's like a month out so you don't get crushed by theta. It's called IV crush. It's basically because of the ticking time until your options run out. It's going to be crushed. So really, like, you can get something like a lot of people are doing June 18th because it's following suit to AMC. I think the hedge funds are revving up to try to, you know, stop all those calls that are in June 18th for AMC, but, you know, I don't believe they can. I want great things for AMC, but I am very heavy into AMC, so that may be why. But I also think it's going to do great things. Plus, I like movies. Plus, I like Venom vs. Carnage coming out. Did you guys see that? It's just wild. I'm definitely gonna watch that movie. But yeah, I mean, it's probably even the safest to do like a put that's like to $20 because this thing is definitely dropping to $20 again. Even further than that, especially to June 18th. I think it's gonna be I think it's a bullish fake out, and they just bullish fake out the whole market, and I don't think anybody's gonna really get caught by surprise. Everybody was kind of like, what the heck, where is all this coming from? And I think they just took their foot off the gas for a little bit to be able to attack AMC and GME. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to put my opinion out there. I know not everybody's talking about that side of it, of why the market is just going up so high and then somehow AMC is going down after its really big bullish run. Yeah, and also, I'll probably mention this in another video, but AMC, those days when you see like all the other stocks going down and then AMC is going up, that's really good for AMC because nobody else is kind of putting their money into something else. They're just all going into AMC and we're all getting the price up together. So I think that's pretty cool for AMC. Not cool for everybody else, but you just got to play the market for what it gives you guys. Like if it's, I want our stocks to go up too, but you know, these shorts and the manipulation that's been going on, like you gotta play how they're playing for a little bit. Like, go down with the stock when it goes down, go up with the stock when it goes up. Make sure you're saving your capital and you're saving up for whenever they run out of money to short the stocks, that we can just start going into our favorite stocks and pumping it back up again and helping these great companies, do great things. Um, I love AMC too, but I also love my biomedical genomics. I love my fuel cell. Um, it hurts me to short my baby, but I know it's gonna go back up. Um, I know a lot of y'all are like CTRM like reps, so I think it's a great company too. They got tons of vessels, lots of boats and stuff like that. So I don't know. I do know. I want great things for all these companies, but you gotta play what the market gives you so you can have enough capital to jump into them and they can make you wealthy while you can also hold and feel proud to be inside their company. So take care, guys. That's all I had for you, and hopefully I can get you another video out pretty soon. Take care. Your boy Hero is out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know you love my videos.